Deciphering Prompts: How to Identify the Main Issue. Hello, dear learners. In today's video, we're going to explore the art of deciphering prompts. Especially, we'll focus on the crucial skill of identifying the main issue or question within a given prompt. Let's get started. Before diving deep, it's essential to understand what a prompt is. A prompt is a statement or a question given in the essay section of the GMAT and GRE exams. It serves as a basis for your essay. Think of it as the guiding star. It directs where your essay should go. Imagine sailing in the sea without knowing the direction. You'll end up lost. Similarly, if you don't identify the main issue in a prompt, your essay will lack focus. Identifying the main issue. 1. Gives your essay a clear direction. 2. Ensures you answer the exact question asked. 3. Maximizes your chances of scoring high. Now, let's dive into the steps to identify the main issue from a prompt. Step 1. Read carefully. Begin by reading the prompt at least twice. Slow down, and make sure you understand each word. Step 2. Underline keywords. As you read, underline or note down words that seem important. These words often hint at the main issue. Step 3. Ask yourself questions. What is the prompt asking me to do? Is it asking for an opinion, a comparison, a fact, or an explanation? Step 4. Restate the prompt. In your own words, try to rephrase the prompt. This ensures you've understood it well and helps bring out the main issue. Step 5. Brainstorm quickly. Jot down what you think about the issue. If your thoughts align well with the prompt, you've hit the target. Like any skill, practice makes perfect. Here's a quick activity. Prompt: discuss the advantages and disadvantages of implementing mandatory school uniforms in public schools. Using the steps we just learned. 1. Underline keywords. Advantages, disadvantages, implementing, mandatory school uniforms, public schools. 2. Ask yourself, what is the focus? Advantages and disadvantages of school uniforms. 3. Restate the prompt. What are the pros and cons of having compulsory uniforms in public schools? Got it? You're on your way to mastering prompts. Thank you for joining us in this learning journey. Remember, understanding the main issue in a prompt is like finding the North Star for your essay. Practice consistently, and soon, you'll be a pro at this. Happy writing, and see you in our next video.